How to get Snapchat support email. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about contacting the Snapchat customer support. So Snapchat is an enjoyable platform, but you might run into issues or have questions that require help from their support team. Whether you're logged out of your account, experiencing technical problems, or need answers to your questions, follow these steps to get assistance. First of all, you have to make sure that you've installed the latest version of Snapchat application on your mobile device, and then simply launch the application. Tap on the profile icon in the top left corner of the screen, and then click on the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen to access the settings. Scroll down and then go to Support and Feedback section. This will display a menu where you can either select a specific issue or search for one. For example, if you choose My account is compromised, you will find an article that explains how to resolve that problem. If the suggested solutions don't help, select No, and a contact form will appear. Use this form to explain your issue in the provided text box, complete the necessary fields, and submit it. The support team will then reach out to you via email that is associated with your account, and you should expect a response within a few days. So this was all about it. If you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.